In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right version of NAD AI app on your Android smartphone. So NAD AI app is an online app that helps you to solve math problems. So to download it on your Android smartphone, go ahead and tap on Play Store. Then just search for NAD AI like that. And here you can see we have NAD AI here. So if you tap on it, you can see it is from this company called Deepflow Apps. And here is the logo. And it has over 10 million downloads at the time of recording this. So go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download NAD AI app and then install it on your smartphone. So once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and open it to start using this app. And here is the welcoming interface of NAD AI. So that's how you can download and install the correct version of NAD AI on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.